Now you must be wondering, why am I here with this strawberry today? Have you ever heard of a phenomena called strawberry skin, strawberry arms, strawberry legs? I'm sure yes. बहुत ही frustrating चीज़ है. बहुत सारे young teens, 20s, 30s में patients come to me complaining of their skin looking like that of a strawberry. Winters are here and so are strawberries. Well, they look great in a bowl, but most definitely not on your skin. So today we're here to decode strawberry skin the dermatologist's way. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. Hi, I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are here to talk all things strawberry skin. So to begin with, हम समझते हैं strawberry skin होता क्या है. It's basically your skin with these छोटे dark dots where you feel it is an ingrown hair. कभी लगता है वो blackhead है, हम उसे दबाने की कोशिश करते हैं तो उसके अंदर से एक hair follicle निकल के आता है. कई बार उसमें से सिर्फ grime निकल के आती है. So it's basically a trapped hair follicle which has grown उल्टा into your skin, जिसके ऊपर एक डेड स्किन का लेयर फॉर्म हो चुका है विद अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ पिगमेंटेशन अराउंड इट. दैट्स एक्चुअली व्हाट लुक्स लाइक स्ट्रॉबेरी स्किन. मेडिकली अगर इसको हम कोरिलेट करें तो देयर इज अ कंडीशन कॉल्ड केराटोसिस पाइलैरिस and folliculitis that is associated more or less with strawberry skin. So strawberry legs होता क्यों है या strawberry skin होता क्यों है? This is not dirt, it's surely not just pigment. It is most definitely your poor hair removal techniques, and strawberry skin does not know any gender. This can be in males as well as females. Anybody who is epilating the hair, most commonly it is shaving on dry skin, shaving against the hair direction, or probably not moisturizing after you've shaved your skin. That is when it leads to a condition called strawberry skin. So इसको बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान नहीं रखते हैं. What I have done is I have pulled out almost the most common questions that I have been asked about strawberry legs in my practice, and today we're going to answer them one by one. And towards the end of this video, we're going to help you with certain products जो आप घर पे लगा सकते हो, and of course certain solutions जो आप अपने dermat के पास जाके avail कर सकते हो that will help you get rid of strawberry skin forever. So सबसे पहला question that I get asked all the time is, only people with dark skin get strawberry legs. Well, please understand this is absolutely false. Melanin is not the villain. ये एक condition है जहाँ हमारा pore clog हुआ है, हमारा hair ingrown है. It's got nothing to do with your skin color. It can happen if you're fair, it can happen if you're wheatish, if you're dark, any skin color, any gender, any age. If you are removing your hair, you can land up with strawberry skin, and it is absolutely common and normal. Most definitely इसका solution है and we can treat it. Okay, this you have to hear out. Strawberry legs mean that my skin is dirty. So this has got nothing to do with dirt. Even the most clean, showered, moisturized, pampered skin can land up with strawberry legs, arms, or whatever part of the body. But most definitely it is not dirt. It is the way the hair exits your skin. Right? So it is a very damaging belief जहाँ हमें लगता है ये dirt है, हम इसको घिसते रहते हैं. The physical exfoliation only makes the condition worse. So the next question is, shaving always prevents strawberry legs. If I shave properly, it won't happen. Well, incorrect shaving is the most common cause for strawberry legs. But having said that, ये होता क्यों है? हर इंसान जो शेव करता है उसे स्ट्रॉबेरी लेग्स नहीं होता. इफ़ यू आर शेविंग ऑन ड्राई स्किन, इफ़ यू आर शेविंग अगेंस्ट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द हेयर, or if you're not moisturizing your skin well after your shaving, that's when you can land up with micro cuts, you can land up with a little bit of inflammation, and kai baar if you're not very clean with your clothes, you can land up with folliculitis and infection also. In those cases, even shaving can lead to strawberry skin. So waxing causes strawberry legs. Now, the myth is that waxing makes it worse. I feel when done properly, waxing is often better than shaving. What makes it bad is a poor technique, no aftercare, and lack of exfoliation. Other than that, I don't think it's the wax which is the enemy here. So the next question, strawberry legs are permanent. I am stuck with this forever. No, darling, that's absolutely not true. You can get rid of strawberry skin if at all you treat it in time and correctly. सबसे पहले we can start resorting to laser hair reduction as a permanent way of reducing your hair follicles. So it's like nipping the evil in its bud. Basically, it's the hair follicle that is causing the trouble. अगर हम उसे ही permanently tackle कर लेते हैं, so we're going to help ourselves in a great way. And having said that, moisturizing your skin with urea-based moisturizers, salicylic acid-based moisturizers, lactic acid-based moisturizers regularly. If you do this for over about 4 to 6 weeks, you can see visible difference at home. So bleaching creams are the solution. So let's just bleach it. Please don't. So the bleach will only superficially lighten the appearance of some hair follicles, but the rebound darkening is actually what we worry about. So इससे skin irritate हो सकती है, inflame हो सकती है, and the rebound pigmentation is what we do not want. Instead, resort to some AHA, BHA, urea-based lighteners and moisturizers, which are actually going to help you in the long run. So the next one is body scrubs will remove strawberry legs completely. I scrub so it should vanish. I wish it was true, but ऐसा होता नहीं है. Scrubbing once a week will most definitely make your skin smoother and nicer, but to take care of strawberry skin, we're going to have to use something which is a little more medical grade and moisturize your skin like your life depends on it. So strawberry legs are dangerous. Is it a disease? Well, it is a condition called keratosis pilaris, but until and unless it is painful, itchy, red, filled with pus, there isn't anything that we medically need to worry about. Cosmetically speaking, हमें देखने में अच्छा नहीं लगता है, so most definitely you can seek help. Only women get strawberry legs. Well, ऐसी तो कोई partiality नहीं है इस condition में. Men as well as women are equally prone to strawberry skin because अगर आप shave कर रहे हो, raise कर रहे हो, hair remove कर रहे हो, you are prone to strawberry skin, and in a lot of cases you're also genetically prone to this condition. So most definitely strawberry skin does not have a gender. Home remedies can cure strawberry legs. Lemon, sugar scrubs, toothpaste, DIY hacks. Well, these can most definitely cause burns. This can disrupt your skin barrier and cause irritation. Strawberry skin का तो मुझे पता नहीं. So dermatologist approved exfoliants जो मैं आपको अभी बताने वाली हूँ, moisturizers जिनमें lactic acid है, shea butter है, mango butter है, kokum butter है. There are such beautiful non-comedogenic moisturizers which are available in the market. Just go for something which is not very heavy जिसे आप comfortably लगा सकते हो, but वो fragrance free है. Go for the word non-comedogenic. It is non-comedogenic, safe for Indian skin, and correct hair removal methods is what is going to sort you out. And the ultimate answer to this is most definitely laser hair reduction. And the last one, strawberry skin causes cancer. कुछ भी अभी खत्म करते हैं. ये तो बहुत ही वाहियात क्वेश्चन है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. It's just a skin condition यार. It's just the way your skin looks. नहीं अच्छी लगती है तो ट्रीटमेंट ले लो. कैंसर तो डेफिनेटली नहीं होता है. So if you want a quick derma-proof treatment routine, I would say 1% salicylic acid-based body lotion से हम नहाएंगे. ठंडे पानी से नहाएंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म पानी नहीं यूज़ करेंगे. अगर ठंड लगती है, हल्के गुनगुने पानी से नहाओ. Take the final rinse with cold water. Pat your body dry. Apply a urea-based moisturizer, which could contain a little bit of lactic acid also. Ceramides, humectants, glycerin. इन सबसे fortified moisturizers हमारी market में बहुत easily available हैं. I'm going to tag a few here. So make sure that you apply it once to twice daily. And if you're going out in the sun or if you're sun exposed, make sure to apply your SPF. So please remember, in this, consistency is the key. Results आपको overnight नहीं मिलेंगे. You're going to have to be super consistent. Apply this, do this religiously for 6 to 8 weeks, and I promise you will see the change. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. So like, share, subscribe, and follow us for more.